Why are you crying?
Why are you crying on the bus?
Why are you crying? It's nothing.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm stupid!
Why are you crying? My dick is squished by the TV.
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm miserable.
You are?
Yeah.
Why are you crying? Don't you know? Yes, I know exactly.
Why are you crying?
People always make fun because of the way I look.
It was a really good dream.
Then why are you crying?
Because I wanted it to be real.
Why are you crying?
I guess it's the thought that I might not ever get to see you again.
Dry your eyes, Toots. Tonight you're mine.
Why are you crying, children? What happened in this room? What did your mother do to you?
Why are you crying? It's just like really the opposite of what we're going for here.
Crying helps me slow down and obsess over the weight of life's problems.
Why are you crying?
Oh, just having a sad day.
You've been having a lot of sad days.
Why are you crying, child? Are you lost, my love?
Mama.
Hush now, don't cry. We'll find her.
Mama.